laparoscopy hysterectomy simulation module was the result of cooperation between the Israeli company 3D Systems Symbionics and its U.S. partner, USF Health, Health Professions Conferencing Corporation. The collaboration brought to market a product that provides an effective teaching device for training and skill maintenance for laparoscopy hysterectomy. Surgeons now have the opportunity to be better prepared for their specific patient, based on the patient's own anatomy and pathology, leading to better healthcare. The partnership helps transforming healthcare by allowing 3D visualization for patient-specific anatomy and pathology, and making sure health professionals are competent to use advanced technology safely and most effectively. The position the U.S. partner has at the American Board of Obstetrics and Gynecology facilitated market acceptance.